Hi, Josh here from your team at JC Installs, here to tell you about the new AX5000 Sony stereo. She's a bit of a ripper. We've got touchscreen display, capacitive touchscreen, triple RCA pre-out. It's got a bit of EQ and crossover points in there so you can really optimize your sound system. But one of the major features with this is the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay. So this gives you the ability to look up something by talking to your car, which is kind of cool. Fish and Chip Shops, New Brighton.
Showing results for Fish and Chip Shops, New Brighton along your route.
If we choose one, we can then find them, or we can get the directions. Pretty handy. Android Auto's got a lot of really cool little features like this. Like you can do all your music streaming. We've got Google Music, you can have Spotify on there, you've got a lot of options as far as that goes. These are what the latest Holdens, Fords, etc. are coming out with. In fact, even your latest European vehicles. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is a really big deal. And it's really cool to have something like this in the AX5000. So this has got dual USB input. USB input 1 is for our Android Auto phone or Apple CarPlay phone. The other USB input is for USB music. You've got rear camera. If you go into the phone, now this is quite cool because we've got the phone plugged in. If we decide we want to make it cool, we've got dial a number in here. We've got all of these other bits and bobs, which is kind of handy. She has a really exciting stereo and something that we've been really enjoying fitting with.